Hey traders, this is William and I want to share with you how to make a day trading setup on a budget. This right here, it's a pretty decent setup. It's nothing spectacular, it's nothing fancy. It's not nearly as cool as so many other setups, but this was under $1,000. And this does everything that I need it to do. And I've had this for 5 years with only one little update that I had to do. So I want to share with you how I did this, because a lot of people think they might need to spend thousands, or it's a barrier to entry to some people, but it's really not. You don't need to spend thousands on your setup. So let's get into this and tell you how I did it. So here's my CPU. I'll put all the exact details for everyone who wants to know right now. But it's an i7700, it's got a gigabyte 560 graphics card, 16 gigabytes of RAM, an Asus motherboard, and I bought this from a gaming computer website called Digital Monkey, I think it was called. They're out of business, but I found a gaming computer website that did custom gaming computers because I don't play games. And gaming computers are very high-end, so they will do everything I need for just DOS, IB, and a few other things. And because they usually do really high-end stuff, when I talked with them, I talked with them about my minimum requirements and what I need, and it was pretty low-end for a good gaming computer website. And so it was surprisingly cheap. This thing cost me $835 for everything that I needed to do. And that was it. And it has 4 ports for monitors. I only use 3 right now, but it has 4. So $835 gave me this, which was more than enough, well more than enough for me to run my trading software. Okay, so then I have 3 monitors here. I've got my 32 wide inch in the middle, 27 inch, and a 27 inch. So I had one of these monitors, and then on the other 2, I just went to Craigslist and I found them over the weeks. I found the monitors that I needed. They were both $70. With just a little bit of patience, I found great brands, LG, I had the Acer. $70 for that, $70 for that. Oftentimes it's best right after the holidays, as I've looked over the years. People sell their monitors after the holiday season. So then, you know, I'm not gonna get into my keyboard and my mouse and those little things, but $70, free, I already had that, and $835. So you can see that is under $1,000 for this setup. And this is really everything I needed. It worked out perfectly. Now, I'm going to get into some other things that I have and share with you how I use them. And this is where the add-ins come in for things that I needed to do and wanted to do. So for this, I've got my laptop here, and this gives me my messaging services when I'm talking with other traders. I have Discord, I have WhatsApp right now, and I would have other websites up on this monitor, because these 3 would all be for DOS, which I'll open up in a sec. I've got my phone always right here with Interactive Broker's account on it and their phone number in case my power goes out or anything like that. I go into Interactive Brokers on the app and I can execute trades on that if I need to get out of something. Okay, so that's pretty it. Bare bones trading setup under $1,000 with a laptop there for messaging service, which I could do on my phone or my computer or on one of my monitors if I needed to. Well, let's get into this. So I did a lot of research. As you can tell from the setup, I didn't want to spend a lot of money, but I wanted it to be pretty decent, okay? It's the same thing on the other tools I have here. So this is a Yeti mic, a Yeti Blue. For what I need to do, which is to talk on a mic and have it be very clear and high quality, I wanted to find a really good mic for that wasn't very expensive. So I'll link the Yeti Blue. This is one of the best ones at the price. You can't really beat this at this price. So if you're looking for a mic, that's it. Same with the Logic camera. I did a lot of research on this for webcams, you know, so I could be on the mic for different videos. And this is, I forget the exact model, C922 I think. I'll put this in the description as well. But for the money, you can't beat this camera. This is a legit camera. So here are my headphones. These are really nice. I have a cousin that's into audio tech, and she recommended this brand as the best brand without having to pay for marketing, marketing prices like with Bose and other brands. So Audio Technica, and I'll put in the link to that. I really love these. So now let's turn on my monitor so you can see what my DOS layout looks like. So here's my DOS layout, and this is gonna look putrid for some of you guys, okay? I've got my main screen. When I make a trade, I oftentimes bring it over to my main center monitor. On my right-hand side, I have green backgrounds, okay? This is one ticker with 4 different charts, and then these are all thumbnail tickers so I can see things that might be in play from that morning's watch list that I think I'm interested in for a long. Green means I'm interested in a long, okay? Red over here, it's the same idea. 4 different charts for one ticker, and then a few thumbnails right here. Red background just helps remind me I think I'm looking for a short based on my pre-market analysis. That doesn't mean I can't take a long here, it just gives me the bias that I want to remember, okay? And let me show you one other a main DOS layout that I oftentimes use. I have about 30 charts open here on my 3 monitors, and each one is a daily chart for a different, very common ticker that's oftentimes in play. So I open up this DOS layout and I just do a quick analysis of anything that I think looks interesting from a gap. So I not only have other people's watch list and those type of things like everyone knows, I want to briefly scan and see if there's anything that I like that's in play that someone might have missed based on my trading setup. So again, all daily charts. I open up this desktop file on DOS and I just quickly look. This is not what I never trade off this, but I open it up very first thing in the morning to analyze the gaps. Okay, and then just to share with you, I'm currently reading 3 books. Evolve Your Brain is a book I'll always love, Being Nobody, Going Nowhere, and then The Daily Trading Coach. It's always good to go back to some of these books just to refresh, reset, remember everything that we learned from the past. Oh, and this right here, this is where I put my drink in the morning, and Stu from Bear Bull Traders made this for me, and it will always be the place I put my morning trading drink. So thank you, Stu. If you guys have any questions on any of this stuff, just let me know. I'll put all the links here in the description, or I'll try to. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.